Hello, lecture number 4 of power electronics. In lecture number 4, these are some outlines of lecture number 4. First one, comparison between power BJT and MOSFET. Second one, comparison between power BJT and IGBT. And third one, questions and answers of power electronic devices. Power electronic devices is the chapter number first. Now look here, comparison between power BJT and MOSFET. We already studied in lecture number first, lecture number second and lecture number third. In lecture number third, we studied that power BJT. BJT is a three terminal device. Also, power MOSFET is also a three terminal device. Now we will see comparison between power BJT and MOSFET. See, first point of comparison is in BJT is a bipolar device and MOSFET is a unipolar device. MOSFET is a unipolar device. Why BJT is a bipolar device? Because in BJT current conduction takes place both electrons and holes. Current conduction takes place both electrons and holes. But in MOSFET current conduction takes place either electrons or holes. Either electrons or holes. Again I am repeat, in BJT current conduction takes place both electrons and holes, so BJT is called as bipolar device. But in MOSFET is a unipolar because current conduction takes place either electrons or holes. BJT is second number is the BJT is a current control device and MOSFET is a voltage controlled device. BJT is a current control device and MOSFET is a voltage controlled device. Why it is current control device? Because output voltage is controlled by input current. Output voltage is controlled by input current. Here the output voltage is controlled by input voltage. So MOSFET is called as the voltage controlled device and BJT is called as current controlled device. Now third point of comparison is that output is controlled by controlling base current. Output is controlled by controlling base current. In MOSFET, output is controlled by gate voltage. Output is controlled by gate voltage. Now in BJT having a negative temperature coefficient. BJT having a negative temperature coefficient, but MOSFET having a positive temperature coefficient. BJT, this one is the device circuit. Device circuit is complex. Device circuit of BJT is complex. Device circuit of BJT is complex. It should provide constant current. Base current is the constant current. Similarly, device circuit is simple. Similarly, device circuit is simple. It should provide constant gate voltage. Losses of BJTs are low and losses of MOSFETs are higher than BJT. The switching frequency of BJT is lower than MOSFET, while switching frequency of MOSFET is higher than BJT. These are some comparison points related to the power BJT and MOSFET. Now in the second outlines of this lecture is the comparison between power BJT and IGBT, but here I am giving comparison between power BJT, MOSFET and IGBT. These are some parameters related to the comparisons. First one is the BJT, second one is the MOSFET and third one is the IGBT. Here first parameter is the carrier type. What is the meaning of carrier type? Carrier type is nothing but it is the current conduction takes place by holes or electrons. So in BJT current conduction takes place both electrons and holes, so it is called as the bipolar device. MOSFET having a which holes is majority carriers or electrons are majority carriers, it is depends on the current conduction taking. So here right has the majority carrier device. Majority is nothing but either electrons or holes. Now IGBT is the bipolar device because in IGBT current conduction takes place both electrons and holes. Second parameter is the gate or base drive. BJT is the current control device. MOSFET is the voltage control device. Similarly, IGBT is also a voltage controlled device. Now, temperature coefficient of on-state resistance. We already studied in advantages, disadvantages and applications of power BJT, MOSFET and IGBT. Temperature coefficient of on-state resistance are negative in BJT, positive in MOSFET and positive in IGBT. Applications. These are some applications of BJT. First applications is the inverter, chopper, UPS, SMPS, induction motor drives. These are some applications related to the BJT, MOSFET and IGBT. We have already studied in lecture number 1st, lecture number 2nd and lecture number 3rd. Next point is the switching power loss. BJT having a high switching power loss, MOSFET having a low switching power loss and IGBT is also having a low switching power loss. Input impedance of BJT is high, MOSFET having a low and IGBT is also low. On-state voltage drop, conduction loss. Conduction loss of a BJT is low, MOSFET high and IGBT is also high. Now parallel operation. Parallel operation in IGBT not possible, in MOSFET possible and in IGBT is also possible. Current and voltage ratings. Current rating of BJT is the 1200 volt and 800 ampere. MOSFET having a 500 volt and 140 ampere and IGBT having a 1200 volt and 500 ampere. Switching frequency rating. Switching frequency of power BJT lies in between 10 to 20 kilohertz. In MOSFET it is up to 1 megahertz and in IGBT it is up to 50 kilohertz. These are some points related to the comparison between power BJT, MOSFET and IGBT. Here chapter number 1st is completed because in this chapter only 3 devices are studied here. First one is the power BJT, second one is the power MOSFET and third one is the IGBT. Now some questions of power electronics. These are some questions of power electronics. These questions are right into the text. These questions are right into the notebook. These questions are right into the notebook, in your notebook. The questions and answer writes in your notebook. Draw VI characteristics of first questions is the draw VI characteristics of power transistor and explain it. Second one, how power BJT different from regular BJT. State the advantages, disadvantages and applications of power BJT. Now, fourth one is the state the features of power MOSFET. State the types of power MOSFET. Draw and explain structure of power MOSFET. Next one is the explain principle of operation of power MOSFET. Now, explain VI characteristics of power MOSFET and explain it. State the advantages, disadvantages and applications of power MOSFET. State the features of IGBT. Draw and explain construction and operation of IGBT. Draw and explain PI characteristics of IGBT. Draw symbol of power BJT, power MOSFET and IGBT. State the advantages, disadvantages and applications of power BJT. Comparison between power MOSFET, power BJT and IGBT. Here your chapter number first is completed. If any queries related to this chapter number first, then ask me. Now in this point there is next parameter is the symbol. So write symbol of power BJT, power MOSFET and power IGBT.